Get ready to beat the heat with a cool ride. So, your GMC Sierra's air conditioner isn't working? Let's fix that. First, check your refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant is a common cause. You can do this with a simple pressure gauge. If it's low, you might have a leak. Time to call a pro. Next, look at your cabin air filter. A dirty filter can block airflow. It's an easy fix, just replace it. Another thing to check is the AC compressor. This little guy is essential for cooling. If it's making weird noises or not engaging, it could be the issue. You might need a mechanic for this one. Don't forget the AC condenser. This sits in front of the radiator and can get clogged with debris. Clean it off to see if that helps. Lastly, your Sierra's electrical system could be the culprit. Check the fuses and relays connected to the AC. A blown fuse is a quick and easy fix. So there you have it. With these tips, you'll be back to a cool and comfy ride in no time. Fixing your GMC Sierra's air conditioner isn't as hard as it seems. Just take it step by step, and don't hesitate to call a professional if you need help. Stay cool out there.